Maybe one day I'll grow, not fixing what broke us. Instead, I'm in this ride and I barely know. But she already knows what it is. I'm not looking for the one. Later, but for now, I'm having fun.
Low-key, kind of patting myself on the back because check this out. Alright, so as of me recording this, it is the same day that I dropped chapter 6 of the Indiana Diaries, Life Been Lifing, which is August 20th, which is today's date. Which for me, it means mission accomplished. Your boy has been on top of things. What was good, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of the Indiana Diaries. We're here at chapter 7, and like I said, your boy has been on top of what he needs to do. I just got chapter 6 out on YouTube and it's performing pretty good. You know, when you step away from the consistency of YouTube, you kind of have to build back that rapport again so that, you know, the algorithm can start pushing your content a little bit better. But we'll get there as long as I follow the game plan that I have for myself. Speaking of which, this vlog is going to be, I'm not sure what it's going to be. I'm not sure what the theme overall is going to be, but right now I'm in this mode of just being locked in on doing everything that I need to do. I have a game plan, what I have for my set out for myself for the week. So today I have a bunch of things that I need to take care of that were supposed to be done over the weekend, but here we are. I have to basically do a bunch of meal planning and I have to update me and wifey's workout routine. So we are back on a consistent meal plan. Our biggest thing is that for breakfast and lunch, we are total wild cards. Like we'll be door dashing or going out to eat and just getting random things, but we need to stop doing that because one, we have a calorie deficit goal that we need to be hitting every day, a protein intake goal that we need to be hitting every single day. And I took the time, you know, with some notes from a nutritionist and some actual meals that me and her will actually enjoy eating on repeat. I came up with a decisive plan for us to follow. Now all there's to do is for me to go in that kitchen and make it. And I have to update our workout routine. So I'm not like following any like official plan, so to say, or at least like nothing that someone else designed. I'm kind of freeballing it myself, but it's organized freeballing, if that makes sense. Basically, I'm taking a bunch of workouts that I know that are pretty easy to learn, pretty easy to maintain, but at the same time presents enough of a challenge to where we can actually start seeing results down the line if we keep consistently doing them. And how I started off was last week, I had to start out kind of like on a little bit of a trial run, like, you know, a few workouts, no more than like 4 or 5 at a time. And I had us do like pretty much like a lightweight to like pretty moderate weight in terms of like what we can handle, just so that we can get used to the movement, just so we can get more comfortable with the workout, get used to, you know, the consistency of going back into the gym. But now I feel like we're there and we're about to go here in a couple hours. I'm about to add a couple more to said workout list so that, you know, we can get the better results that we're planning out. But as far as content goes, I am again on top of everything I need to do. I just got the vlog out and I'm starting to work on other forms of content that I know are in the pipeline, whether it's branded content or just organic content. I'm really focused really hard on the organic content, just kind of getting back to my roots as well as implementing the new things that I've learned, whether it's, you know, getting used to this new camera, new filming tactics, you know, all that jazz. And I want to start executing it. I have a bunch of videos I need to get edited, get those out, and then once those are done, I can start filming the new videos that I have on my pipeline, which, by the way, I have a quick question for y'all. Actually, nah, scratch that. What are some videos that you guys would like to see? Would you like to see some actual dedicated fashion videos or just like some other dedicated subjugated type of videos other than like the vlog stuff? I still want to make it cinematic. I still want to make it vlog-esque, but at the same time, again, I want to give you guys that value that a lot of y'all are looking for. So in a way of kind of answering the question for you, I'm putting something to the test, but just let me know in the comments. I'm going to be designing basically a lookbook, a concept lookbook for the fall season of what my style is basically going to be looking like and what I'm going to be wearing typically stepping into it. So I'm coming up with a bunch of outfits that I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to make it an actual dedicated YouTube video and a short form video to post on like TikTok and Instagram and stuff like that. So that's on my pipeline. That's something I'm really excited about. I have a few branded content stuff. There's something coming up. Okay, so there's something coming up in the next couple of months that I am I'm fucking hyped about it. You know what I mean? Like when I found out that this is happening, there was nothing I was talking about but that. But I don't want to disclose it too much until we get like right at that point when it happens. So, but just stay tuned. I promise y'all, it's gonna be lit as hell. Just stay tuned. But looking at the time, I have a couple hours before me and wifey have to go hit up the gym. So I'm gonna take that time to actually get in the kitchen, finish up some of the meal prep that I had planned out. Then we're going to go to the gym. I'm gonna get back in the office, continue editing the videos that I have planned out for myself, and then yeah, we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes.
Never no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right on the curb. Business man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Take me my equal, know what you heard.
Hey, just let me know, are y'all feeling it whenever I'm like bringing y'all in the kitchen with me and I'm like chefing it up or like trying to prepare something, get it all like cinematic, nice looking for y'all? Like, is that something y'all want for these vlogs? But let me know in the comments. But I just got done making most of the wraps. I got like maybe 8 of them done. I could probably squeeze out like maybe 2 or 3 more, but I'll take care of that after we head to the gym and go do that. And then for the rest of the night, it's just gonna be me in the office again, editing so I can get my backlog done and over with, and then we can move on to filming the new stuff. And you know what? Tomorrow is actually gonna be a pretty good day. So I think tomorrow is gonna be a day where while I'm hanging out with wifey, we're gonna be doing just a little bit of a photo shoot. I have something in mind. Shout out to my boy Cam for inspiring the shots that I'm thinking of, but hopefully we can get that done. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Maddie taking over the camera. Zach has me out here doing some, like a little photo shoot today. That's him right there. Let me see if I can zoom in. I'm still learning this new camera. Yeah, see him? But yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. We're gonna try to get some cool shots for you guys.
Yo, what's good, y'all? So we just got done with the very first part of this photo shoot that we're doing, and now we're heading to, where are we heading to?
It's called 16-Bit Arcade Cafe or something like that.
This like cafe that we've been spotting every single time we've been to downtown, but we just never went up in there. But now that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're gonna go up in there, see if we can get some cool footage. We're gonna wrap up this photo shoot. I have a shot list that I want to do, and we're following it to the T. But so far, I looked at the pics that wifey got, and so far so good. You know, she's getting used to the new camera now. What are your thoughts on it?
I mean, it's a good camera. It's definitely a lot better than your old one. Not to, you know, kick a
It was
horse,
pretty shitty.
Yeah, but definitely an upgrade. It's just gonna take a lot to get used to.
Oh yeah, definitely. But yeah, I'll let y'all know how that goes. We're gonna check out this cafe, and yeah, stay tuned for the pictures. I'll put them up if I have them done by the time I get this vlog out. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Alright, so we just got back. That 16-bit arcade bar, that was lit as hell. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, it was like, it had like a bunch of super retro games up in there, like arcade games that like most of them were like free to play. And you know, the drinks, they were pretty dope. You know, I think next time I'm not gonna get like something super like on the liquor side of things. You know what I mean? Cause like, I don't know, like, as you know, I got a little bit older, you know, I'll just stick to like a beer, or just hell, I'll just get like a diet soda or something, you know what I mean? I don't even really be drinking like that anymore, you know what I mean? So I think I'll just stick to that next time. But you know, that was a cool little spot, you know? We've been talking about like, you know, having like a dedicated time like every week where we just like go out, and me and Maddie, I'm talking about, of course, we're going out and we're just spending time together as a couple and stuff like that. We don't bring work with us or anything like that. And so that might be one of those spots that we just hit up, not on a regular, you know what I mean? But like just every now and then, and it's kind of crazy, God, and what's annoying about this whole entire thing? I was having a conversation with my boy Cam, and he tells me this all the time. Like, he's gonna randomly pop up on me in Indiana and stuff like that because he low-key wants to visit me here. And I keep telling him, he's watching this right now. He knows what I'm about to say. Bro, don't come to Indiana. Ain't shit up here but going to Walmart and a bunch of cornfields. Like, that's just about it. But he told me that, whenever he had other people visit him in Houston, he was low-key feeling the same way. But when they came to see him, they were able to show him like different viewpoints and different angles of how, he saw a city that he thought low-key was just like dead to him, you know what I mean? But in a way, him telling me that and then us going out and trying a new place that we've never been to before just tells me that I need to get out more. I need to get out and explore more of this city, especially since, I'm in the mindset of me trying to leave it in a couple of years. I think there's a lot more for it to offer than I was willing to give it a chance. You know what I mean? So I think I'm going to take this as a sign, just stop being stubborn and just go out and see what this city has to offer. I still have strong feelings about leaving, you know what I mean? Because I feel like that's going to be, one, good for my career, good for wifey's career, or her mindset in terms of how she wants to, go forward with her life, in tangent with me. And yeah, I just think it'll just be good for us. But overall, yeah, that was dope. Oh, and ignore that Shake Shack that y'all saw. Ignore all that. I promise y'all, we good. We doing. If we do anything bad, like we step out and like go get something to eat, we do it in moderation. We still have plenty of stuff prepped up in the kitchen and like stuff that we can cook. So that's what we're gonna be on for like the next like couple of weeks. Like, promise you. But anyway, your boy is tired, and okay, so here's my plans for tonight. I'm going to transfer everything, where they need to go, like in my computer, on my phone, so I can like get ready to edit a lot of things tomorrow. And then I'm going to start playing a little bit of Call of Duty. And here's the thing. I like playing video games. I love playing video games, but lately, especially over the last few weeks, I haven't really touched it that much because I needed to voice is cracking, goddamn. I need to lock in on a lot of things that I need to get done, so I've been stepping away from the video games. So I did that. That's been going good, but I just saw a clip, shout out to Unbothered Hero, and bro, tell me why Call of Duty added a fucking bow and arrow to the goddamn game. Like, this is why I can't step away from that game, you know what I mean? Because they keep doing stuff that's like generally overall good, but then like in 2 weeks, the game and the state of the game is going to be complete crap. So I think they keep bringing me back, bro, and I'm tired of it. But once that finishes downloading, it's like at 70% right now. Like, I'm watching it right now. I'm gonna play that, and I have a set time. Like, I'm gonna stop playing at like 11:45. It's like 10:18 right now. At 11:45, I'm gonna stop playing and get my ass in bed because I have to get up tomorrow and get back to the gym. We didn't go to the gym today, obviously, for this photo shoot thing and everything like that. So I'm gonna get back to the gym, get back on my stuff, and we'll be good from there. I had to drink something because for some reason my voice is like cracking. I don't know what's going on, but I think I just had an idea. As long as I'm going to be doing something that a lot of people would consider to be a waste of time or not all that productive, I might as well do something that's somewhat productive and tangent with that. So if you guys don't know, I used to stream pretty often on Twitch. So I think while I'm playing this, it's going to be like a super short stream. Like, I'm not even going to be playing for like barely an hour. But I think I'm going to boot up the stream again and just stream for just a little bit. Chat to those who are going to come in the chat. And yeah, so if y'all want to, go ahead, hit that link in the description. follow my Twitch. Every now and then I play like COD, Elden Ring, and some other games that are going to be coming out, like the DBZ, not DBZ, but Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. That's going to be coming out. I'm going to be on that. I'm going to run my ones with so many people when that comes out. Like Elijah, my boy Cam from my hometown. You're going to catch these ones. Jay, Wolf, Smashy, if you want to get some, you can get some too. Justin, I know you watching this. Run me my fucking ones. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing that. So yeah, hit that link. Follow my Twitch to catch up on all that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get on Twitch and start streaming just a little bit. Yeah. Y'all have a good night.
On these cool little windbreaker sweatpants. That's what I was going to, but I'm not trying to do that. And just have like a cool little raw.
Tell me it must have. Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a drug, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. Again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I pick. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you've been fighting for your shot, and you've been searching for your spot.